Bitcoin has been one of the most popular and talked about digital currencies since its inception in 2008. While its price swings can be unpredictable, its booming value has made it an attractive asset to invest in. But what if you want to go beyond just trading and speculate on the price of Bitcoin? How can you make money with Bitcoin? In this video, we take a look at 4 ways you can make money with Bitcoin. Number 1. Mining Bitcoin. Mining Bitcoin is a great way to make money with a digital currency, and it's one of the most popular methods. By mining for Bitcoin, users can potentially earn block rewards, which are released when new blocks are added to the blockchain. To begin mining Bitcoin, you'll need to invest in specialized hardware, such as ASIC miners, and join a mining pool. While the rewards may be few, the profits from Bitcoin mining can still be quite substantial. Number 2. Trading and investing in Bitcoin. Trading and investing in Bitcoin is another way to potentially make money with digital currency. By trading the currency on different exchanges, users can speculate on the price of Bitcoin and buy and sell coins to make a profit. Additionally, traders may choose to leverage their trades with margin, allowing them to potentially make even larger profits. Investing in Bitcoin is another popular way to make money. By investing in different aspects of the digital currency, investors can capitalize on the volatile price movements and potentially benefit from its rising value. This includes buying into startups with an ICO or investing in blockchain technology. Number 3. Earning through affiliate programs. Bitcoin affiliate programs are another way to make money with the digital currency. By referring customers to certain websites and exchanges, you will be rewarded for spreading awareness of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This can be done through blog posts, YouTube videos, and other forms of content. Number 4. Playing and earning through play-to-earn games. The crypto industry is quickly disrupting various industries, and gaming is no exception. Players of crypto games can potentially earn crypto assets from simply sitting in the corner of their room playing. As the value of crypto increases, so too can your rewards. In conclusion, there are a few different ways to make money with Bitcoin. Whether it's through investing and trading, mining, earning through affiliate programs, or playing and earning through play-to-earn games, users can make a good return on their investment with digital currency. If you liked the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.